ClaritySoft's powerful email marketing platform, Clarity Engage, features a cutting-edge email template builder loaded with features and capabilities for designing graphically rich, responsive emails. Browse the template builder's library of professionally designed templates that you can modify and use, or build your own template from scratch. Let's recreate this simple template using the Email Template Builder. Begin with a blank template. Design Editor. Name your template. Let's set some default settings in the Settings menu. We'll set the stage size to 650 pixels, the background area color to white, and the content area background we'll leave transparent for the time being. Our default text font is Montserrat. These settings determine the overall appearance of the template. Many of these settings can be altered within the individual content blocks. Now, we need to put a row on the stage. Rows are fields that are used to contain and organize content blocks. The content blocks are the fields that are used to display the actual visual elements, such as text or images. From the Row menu, choose a pre-configured empty row template. Be aware that there are also pre-designed row styles, which already include content blocks, under the Defaults or Library drop-down options. Since we just created our new template, the first row is already displayed on the stage by default. With the Content Area Background Color Editor, let's change the color to approximate the template we're recreating. From the Content tab, let's choose an image block to hold our company logo. Let's insert our logo. Select Browse. This gives us the option to import it, or if it's already in our file manager, insert it. We should mention that the file manager also gives you access to a vast library of free images you can use. In this instance, we'll import our logo the easy way. We'll just drag and drop it. This also imports our logo into the file manager, so it's at the ready if we need it again for another email. Resize the logo. Use the row's padding option to add distance from the top. Add a link to your logo. Let's add another empty row. Add another image content block. And another image. This one is already in our file manager. Adjust the distance at the top with the row's padding controls. As you can see, the blue background of our content area doesn't quite match the background color in our image. We can get a more accurate color match by using the hex number of the blue background in the image. You can determine the hex number of a color in an image by using an image editor such as Photoshop, or an online resource such as HTML color codes. We've determined what our image's hex number is. We could paste it here in the content area of this specific row, but since this color will be used in all of our content areas, let's go back to Settings and make this color the default color for all content areas. Remember, these colors can be changed for individual rows from the Row Properties options. Add a row for our next section. And a text block. Add our text. Resize it. Change the color. And center it. Make some padding adjustments to correct the distance. Let's duplicate this text block and use it for our next block. Add the new text. Resize it. And make padding adjustments. Now, to the same row, let's add a button. Change the color. Text. text color. Double-check the font. Make it bold. Adjust the padding. Add another text block to the row for our disclaimer. Make text and padding adjustments. Finish off the row with a divider. Adjust the width and thickness. And copy and paste the color from our button. Add one more row. Add a text block. The text. And a social media block. Change the icon collection. Let's add Pinterest. Adjust the spacing. Don't forget to add your social media links. Let's add some additional space using a spacer block. Decrease the height spacing. Add another text block for some final text links. Use the Links feature on the text editor to add links to selected text. Almost there. Let's duplicate our divider and move it down. Add the legally required unsubscribe block. We'll use the one from the library category in the Rows tab dropdown. Adjust the text. Let's see how it looks on mobile. Don't forget to save. And you're done. Designing intricate and engaging responsive emails is fast and easy with the Clarity Engage Email Template Builder from ClaritySoft.